All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our TensorFlow course, and we're still doing our human emotions detection module. Let's have a look at what we went over today. Yesterday, if you recall, the last thing we went over was printing out the labels for our image. We passed in a certain image to our model and had it classified for us with the three classifications. Today, what we're going to do is we're going to print it out so that the label tells us, or the model tells us exactly what kind of classification we have. It's going to be happy, sad, or angry. So we're gonna do that. And also we got some light we took some notes today. I don't really feel like doing any light read. I'm just gonna walk through everything and skim through it for you. And what we did, we uploaded a second image here. And we're gonna have our model actually test this image out also to see if it's holding true. So this is the code we use. It's the same as the first code. We just changed it to test image two. So we could distinguish between the first image and the second image. We did that. And then what else we did here? This is the second image. How many times we got the, yeah, that's the second image there. And then we actually gonna if you recall, the first time we printed our 16 images, they were labeled happy, sad, or angry. This time, what we're going to do is we're going to have a true label and a predicted label. That means we're going to have either happy, sad, angry as a predicted, and then we're going to see if that was either true or predicted. So it should be two classifications for the images now, one for the true label and one for the predicted label. And that's pretty much everything we did. We already ran it, and I do have the images waiting to run. So first we're going to go through what came through first. You can see here, this is our first classification from yesterday. As you remember, the classification of the first image was happy, and we did upload a second image. That image is angry, is saying, but the image that I uploaded for the second one was actually a sad. So the model is showing angry, but it's actually sad. So maybe the image is kind of close to both classifications where they can't really tell the difference between them. But the first one is still correct. It's still saying happy. The second image here is just saying it's supposed to be sad, but it's saying angry. So that's that there. These are our 16 images here, as you can see. So we have our true label happy, our predicted label happy. It is a happy person, so you can see the true label and predicted label match. And we have it should go through all 16 of them like that. So then we have a true label of sad, predicted sad. So it's predicted sad, and the true label was sad. Then we have angry and angry that came through correct. Then we have angry and angry again came through. It looked like it's holding good. It's like it's staying consistent. So everything is getting predicted well. So I'm not really sure why I classified this sad image here as angry. It looks like it's working pretty well on the images that we're going through right now. We have 16 of them. Let's see if it keeps on staying consistent. The rest of them should pop up. Yep, still sad and sad. Let's see. Happy, happy. Okay, so we do have some inconsistency here. You see the true label is sad, so it's actually a sad image, but the model predicted happy. So we do have an inconsistency here. So it's not a function at 100%, but it is pretty close. We do have another happy, sad, miscommunication. I don't see how they would confuse this with happy, but yeah, that's another one there. So that one's good. That one's good. We have a sad, angry here. It's pretty like they said, sad and angry. I guess they would get that confused. They look pretty much the same. I don't see how they're getting happy and sad confused, but the sad and angry, I can see that getting confused. So that's that one there. This one is good, sad and sad. And it looks like that is all of them. So that's about 3 out of 16 of them, which is still a pretty good ratio. So we got 3 miscommunications, and the rest are all correct. So yeah, that's what we did this morning. We uploaded the second image that did get misclassified. You can see here it's supposed to be sad, but it came back as angry. And then we modified our images to come back with the true label and predicted label, as you just saw. So yeah, we are going to keep moving forward, and I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, it's the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.